MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
There's not many companies or individuals that will invest £100,000 plus in machine tools without actually looking at the equipment. Well, that's what they did here at Eroga Die, and I've come to meet with Alan, and he's going to tell us why they invested in CNC International's Accutex EDM machines. So Eroga Die, Alan, tell me about the company.
Okay, the company is roughly 50 years old, started from my father Tony Townsend. We manufacture tools. We're like a tool maker for the aluminium extrusion industry. This industry is becoming much more widespread. Aluminium has become more and more popular, as you see in cars, automotive, but even in windows, many industries. So we're very big in the export market. Probably 93% is our export customers, even as far as New Zealand, Middle East, Russia, America, all over. We have a whole process of different machinery for making the dies. We get the steel in the bar, we have to cut it up, turn it, manufacture it, heat treat it, and bespoke it completely from design, manufacturing to dispatch, all within 1 week to 10 days. So it's very quick turnaround.
What prompted the purchase of the Accutex machines?
Well, going back last year, we started to notice a real increase in orders, and we had to make a decision, to invest in machinery. Now, to do this process is not a quick turnaround. You have to have a discussion with the supplier of the machinery and work out what the delivery is. It's not just one department. It can mean, employing more people, doing training, looking at your shift patterns, and, work out what percentage you need to expand by. So we looked at the wire machines first because that seemed to be the bottleneck in our department. And we already had a relationship with CNC International from Richard because we purchased some EDM spark machines. And we started talking about the idea of a new or second-hand wire machine. Now, within our company, the wire machine is the most important machine in the factory. That comes into contact with the aluminium extrusion. And previous machines that we purchase have always been new. So we followed the same course and we decided to buy new. We decided to purchase two. And then that would handle the 20% increase that we needed to be able to cope with the demand of our intake.
So when you look back, or obviously we look forward as well, but have you achieved with the machines everything that you expected to achieve?
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, we've been so busy here in not just looking at purchasing new wire machines. We had to employ new people, we had to get a training program, we had to also get a new mezzanine floor, we had to develop that, so there was a construction going on. We had to also buy CNC milling machines. So along with my normal job and travelling around seeing customers, I didn't even have time to go and vet the machine. I just took it from the advice of Richard that these machines were good, and I went with his say-so. And to be honest, I did that because when we bought the Spark machine, I did exactly the same. I took a chance, I went by Richard, and he proved to me that the machines were very good. And it wasn't just the machine. If we did have a small teething problem, or we had a maintenance problem on our older existing machines, his service engineer would be here the same day sometimes. So that gave me the kind of comfort factor that I need with a breakdown circumstance to go with his company to support us.
And Eroga Die, in the year ahead, you've expanded obviously over the
20% in this last 12 months, which is really 10%, 15% more than what we normally do. So really we're coming out of the recession now. All our customers are getting a lot busier, and we've just had a surge of work, you know, and sometimes it's a good thing, but it's a bad thing, because you can be very busy, and it can affect your delivery dates, which means it can affect your existing customers that you've had for many years. So you can get more orders and you can lose more orders if you don't maintain the service. So, you know, we didn't panic. We made a correct decision in letting our customers be aware that we are doing this big investment, not just in wire machines, but also in other machines and people and training and shift patterns. And it took about 9 months for it to come, but we're there now, you know, and we had a lot of support from Richard from CNC International to do with wire machines and also the spark machine area as well.
So you're well equipped now as a business to tackle the growth in the next 12 months?
Yes, we are. Yeah, we seem to be in a much more comfortable position now to give the service that our company name is known for. You know, we're known for giving very quick turnaround at a competitive price, and I felt, you know, that we needed to maintain that knowledge, and that's why we've done that investment, and we're certainly in a very good position going forward now.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.